This is Knowledge Engineering with Semantic Web Technologies. Welcome to the first lecture of this course, Knowledge Engineering and the Web of Data. And in this part of the course, I want to give you a brief introduction of about what we will be doing. So, we will start first with the first section in the course with the limits of the web. So I'm going to show you what are in particular the problems we have currently with the World Wide Web. It means if it comes to information retrieval. So sometimes, for example, you are not really satisfied with the result of any search engine. So why is it is that way? So first thing of all, the web is growing constantly, so the information and the amount of information gets more and more. And the problem here is that the search engine must be able to understand the content of the information. It means it must be able to interpret the content somehow correctly. So understanding and interpretation is really an important thing. So therefore, in the second part, we will talk about the importance of meaning, and we will introduce some of the important terms that are neat here and will define them. So, for example, like syntax, semantics, context, and pragmatics. So then we want to adapt this concept to the web. So in the third part, we will talk about understanding content on the web and how does this work. And in the fourth part, I will show you how, with the help of semantic web technologies, this kind of understanding can be achieved within the so-called web of data. So when we have a suitable knowledge representation, how can we use it? So the fifth part then will be how to use the web of data. What then will be possible, what now is not really possible in the web. And after that 5-part introduction, we will come to a closer look of the technologies that are involved there. And we will start with the first thing. It's important to name the things you are talking about. And of course, we are talking about a web which potentially might be intelligent. And therefore, in the web, you have to address things. And the standard way to address things and to name things in the web is the uniform resource identifier. So, and when we can name things, we must have means to express facts about these things. So, in the next part, part 7 and part 8 of the lecture, we will talk about the so-called resource description framework, which is a simple means to represent simple facts. And it's on the so-called information exchange layer of the semantic web technology stack. So, look forward and enjoy the lecture.